Hello. Recruiterflow allows you to add email alias to reach out to candidates and contacts via email on a larger scale without affecting your domain's reputation. We have introduced an option to add email alias within Recruiterflow, and to do so we have to go in the settings. Once you are in the settings, we have to go to profile, and if you scroll down, we have an option to add alias here. So we'll click on add alias. We need to provide a name and the email address of the alias that you're going to use. Then you need to select which platform are you using to send emails and where is this email hosted. Once you select the platform, we will save this. Then you will notice that the email alias has been added. Once it's added, we need to then connect this email to the platform. So we'll click on this option to connect, and we will select our email alias. Once you connect it, you will see that it's connected here. Now we can email candidates via one-off emails, bulk emails, campaigns, and recipes. So I'll show you all of these in this video. Let's say if I have to reach out to candidate via a one-off email. So I'll go to the profile, hit on email, and it'll ask from which email address do you want to reach out. If I want to send it from the alias, I can click on this drop down here and select the alias that I'm using. You can do the same for bulk emails. We can select all of these candidates that you want to email. Click on email, and over here we can change the email from this drop down. Then for campaigns, whenever you're creating a new campaign, you can select the alias within the sender section of the campaigns. So if you click on sender, we have the drop down, and this is where I have the email alias, and I can then create my campaigns. For recipes, whenever we have a recipe where the action is to send an email, let's say that this is our trigger and we want to take an action of send an email. Whenever you're selecting this action, we will ask you from which email do you want to send these emails. So you can again click on this drop down, select the email alias, and that's all. So these are the ways to email candidates or contacts using the email alias. I hope that this was helpful. Thank you.